Alright, welcome to video 2 of our tutorial on how to design a professional website using WordPress. What we're going to cover in this video are in 5 parts, are 5 things. The first thing, the primary settings of WordPress, the theme installation, theme customization, import demo content. Demo content will make it look like the demo template that you saw when you see it, and the home page settings. So let's get started. What we're going to do now is very simple. Is to come back to the last place where we left it and log in. You remember the username that we chose in this place, the admin username, not the database username, and the password that you selected when you were installing it. So the next thing is you click on remember me, because you're actually going to spend like 1 day or 2 days on this project, depending on how fast you are. Then click on login. It will bring you to this place. Now this is the admin panel of WordPress. This is the admin. If you have ever used softwares like Dreamweaver or Page before, they have their own admin panel. This one is the WordPress admin panel. With this admin panel, you will be able to design a very nice website, a professional website, without any problem. And at the end of this design, here is the result that we want to have. Exactly, here is the result that we want to have. We will have a professional website like this one, a very beautiful website like this one. This one is for a spa sampling like this one. So how using so the next thing is to return to the dashboard. So this dashboard, let me quickly take you through the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. This is the home page, which we are seeing. This place, all this place, they are the home page of the dashboard. This is post. We are still going to talk about post. After a while, we're going to talk about post. That is when you are posting things into the blog. When you are posting things into the blog of the website, it is post. You just add new post. We are going to come in there. This is media. This is where all the pictures, all the media files, the pictures, the videos, if you have videos on the website, this is where they are stored. This is pages. This is where you add the website pages. This is comment. If you want to see the comments of people on the blog, maybe you want to approve it or not, this is where you do it. This is appearance. We have a lot to do on this appearance, because this is where everything is. This is where you're going to be customizing everything. The home page, the about us page, the services, everything. This is where you'll be customizing it. This is it. This is the appearance. Let me quickly give you Expo. The Expo is very simple. Everything on WordPress is all about widgets and menus. We are still going to get there after a while. This is the plugin. Plugins are a software that are made to perform a special function on a particular website. They are like modules. They are plugins. This is it. We are still coming back there. This is users. You can actually add another user that will be helping you in this project. If you want to add it, all you have to do is to come and add the user and give the user role. This is 2. We are still coming back here to do the 2. So what we want to do now is the basic settings for the WordPress, and which is this one. So all we have to do now is to come to general setting. We click on the general setting and do the basic setting. Alright, this is the general settings for this website project. So this is the name, the site title, Pamsi Beauty World. So the tagline is like slogan, like you said, we beautify you, we beautify your outlook, or anything that you feel it should be there. Or you can just type welcome to Pamsi World. You can just type this, just ordinary slogan. This is the email for the admin. This email is going to be the default email when somebody wants to send you a request. a request. You can enable anyone can register, you can leave it like that, but preferably if it's a private organization, you just leave it the way it is. Then you click on save changes. You're going to leave the date and time. You can change the date and time, you can change the time zone, but I prefer that I would advise that you should leave it as default. You can, this is a date format. You can change the date format if you want. These are the settings that will be on the blog if you post another pages. This is the time format. This is the time right now, 3:54 p.m. This is the time. This is it. Week start on Monday. Week start on Monday. You can change it. Your own week can start on Friday, on Thursday. If you want it that way, there's no problem. You can put it there, and you just click on save this. Settings saved. So the next thing is to come and set the writing. You set the writing rule. You click on the writing rule. The writing enable you to control how people write, the format. So this is the writing rule. If you have created a category, we are going to go there very soon. This is a default post category. This is uncategorized. You leave it that way. And you just click on save changes. Since we didn't make any change, we'll leave it the way it is. The mailing server, you leave it this way. Since you don't have a mail server, that one is on advanced technology. If you want to be doing, maybe you want to be designing website that has to do with automatic mail sending. So you click on the reading rules. You set the reading rules. The rules enable us to be able to navigate around the website. So we are still going to come back to this place anyway. So let's leave it for now. Let's say you come to discussion. Discussion. That's when you're going to set the rules for discussion. Did you want to enable post? You can click it. But in many cases, I don't use to enable post comment. I uncheck the post comment. I change the post running. I uncheck it. This one. I uncheck this one as well. So I just scroll down and click on save changes. Save changes. Having saved the changes, then just go to permanent link. I will omit the media. We don't need it. You just go to permanent link.
We don't need the media for now. Later,
link. There are a lot of configuration on the permanent link. You can link all the pages according to the year, month, and day, and sample post. That is the post title. You can link it to this way, like this one. You can link it like this, and you can link it as the name of your website / the post type. In many cases, this is what I do. I'll just link it as the name of the website because of the SEO, because of the search engine optimization, so that it can be easily navigated, located from the and I click this save changes. The next thing we are going to do now is to install the themes. Install this theme. Then how do we do that? We come to the appearance and then we click on theme. Like I said earlier, theme are like this template website. They're going to use. We can see themes inside the CD, the training CD material that you have with you. You can see many premium themes there that you have access to free of charge. So there are default themes on this place. There are default themes. But before we install the theme, actually, let us preview the website and see what it looks like. So what we just have to do is to type localhost /proweb, which is the name of the website. Then click enter. Then we see the website looks like before we add. As you can see, wow. Now this is the default theme for WordPress. This is what the website will look like after installing the WordPress and doing the basic settings. As you can see, this is the slogan, this is the name of the website, this is the post, these are the tags, at the side. This is the sidebar, So what is, let's go ahead and install a theme and see what is going to happen. All you just have to do is to come to appearance, themes, then you click on add themes, add new. Having clicked on the add new, What next? You have to upload the theme from the desktop. If you already have it on your desktop, on your computer, you click on upload theme, then click on browse. You click on browse to locate the zip folder of the theme. As you can see, if you have a theme in a .zip format, you may install it by uploading it here. So all you just have to do is to click on this browse file, browse, and locate where you keep where the theme is, inside your CD. It is named themes inside the software folder. Just double click on it, and this is the theme we are going to be using, wordpress. You just double click on it. These are the documents inside the theme, and we're going to be needing everything. You can watch the documentation of the theme in this place and see how the theme is being set up by the organization who owns it. Then you can actually install the theme. This is the main theme. You will upload the zip file, wordpress.zip. You click on it and click open, then click on install now. Once you click on the install now, it will install. Yeah, I think we are good to go now. These are the processes. This is the process of the theme installation, unpacking, installing, and you can preview the theme live, and you can activate the theme straight away. So I would advise that we should just activate the theme since we are using the theme. You just activate the theme, and after the theme has been activated, we can now go and preview what it looks like on the main website that we are actually working on. That's it. Theme has been activated. This is the default theme now. We can actually visit the website by clicking on this place, and we can go and reload the website that we open now. So we just right click on this one now, visit the website. So we look at site. Wow, this is very good. This is the theme, the new theme that we are using now. As you can see, we are not writing any code. We are just doing everything graphically. Now this is it. This is the design. But we still have to customize this theme to make it look nice and make it more presentable. But for us to be able to do it, there are plugins that we need to install. Let's go back to the admin panel. There are plugins, because we have to change the color. We have to make the home page look like the one that the example. This one, we have to make it look like this one. So having done with the installation, it will look like this. But what are we going to do? The next thing we are going to do now is to go and install the necessary plugin that will enable us to customize it and make it look exactly like the demo we are following. So to do that, you just come to the plugin. You come to add new plugin. Add new plugins.